Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX, heavily requested because AVAX finally obviously did go into my target area, the target area we defined end of March. We did get into it here highlighted in green, located between the Fibonacci retracement levels of this first wave and the second wave. So here between the $58 level and the, let me just open that up. I don't know why that moved slightly. Was there a reason for that? Don't think so. So here between $70 and 58, yeah. So that here the the price obviously came into the target area. Now just breaking through the 78.6, a fib level at $63, and it will go to the 88.7 now at $58. We are now, let me go to the daily chart. We are, I believe, getting oversold. So at some point we should see here the price move up. Yeah, we now clearly, we are oversold at 30. And that's what typically is considered oversold. It is on the weekend now. There is typically less volume as well. Prices are dropping further. I mean, the fight around the 78.6% fib level here at $63 is not lost yet, but we obviously dropped below it. And now we're below it again here on today's daily candle. And currently I cannot see this downtrend slow down. One good sign that it will slow down soon is that the daily chart is now oversold, the RSI. And at latest then at the $58 level, at the 88.7% Fibonacci level, there is the last chance really for the bulls to start moving up again. Very last chance would be here at $53, but what I also need to tell you that here at some point then at $53, it is getting much less likely that this is still the wave count. It's currently adhering to it. It adhered to it very well. This scenario will basically get invalidated at $53. If that drops, then I have to assume that we are going to go down to 48. That won't be far away, so this will then probably be quite realistic. If we lose the 53, we're going to go down to 48. And if we lose the 48 level, then I have to redo the whole wave count, and we're going to face much lower price levels, because then we are going to talk here about an AVAX price of around $25 to $40. Now, this is of course a risk in the current market conditions. I want to call it out. I can't really say it won't happen. We are here currently in a difficult market condition, but here in the green target area, obviously the price dropped into it, and I would still expect the price to turn around in this area here, especially as we are now oversold, and also because I do expect a short-term uptrend for Bitcoin. If this happens, if Bitcoin really moves to the area that I specified on the Bitcoin chart between 42 and 46K, then AVAX could start this wave 3, and then we could really see prices in the region of $140. This is possible. It has done that before. And if Bitcoin really starts to move from 38 to 42, maybe even 46K, this whole little bit of these depressive market conditions that we have here at the moment, they will be forgotten. They will be forgotten, absolutely. So it's all about timing, I think, now, which scenario is really going to play out. If Bitcoin, AVAX and Bitcoin are related, but they move in different waves. That means that if Bitcoin now moves up, which on the Bitcoin chart would be a corrective wave up, it would be a corrective wave 2 to the upside, which means that it won't move that much, and it is corrective. Here on the AVAX chart, it would be an impulsive wave 3, which means it should catapult AVAX much higher. And that means that, we have a lot of scope here and room for further upside. We are now oversold, as I said, $62. I think 58 is still a possibility. I have my buy orders, my limit orders already triggered. At these prices, I do dollar cost average into AVAX. As you might remember, when we were up here around $120, I took profits. That's what we communicated in the channel membership group as well. Sell orders triggered here, and it's just a perfect time to buy back. At 50% of the price, using some of these profits to buy back AVAX. And then I believe we should see the turnaround here. If we don't, I'm happy to sit it out. So some people might want to use a stop loss here below $48. I'm not going to do it. I'm not gonna do it. For me, I believe in AVAX. Yeah, AVAX is an interesting project. It's a good project. I'm not worried about it. Even should it even drop below that $48 level, it has enough scope to drop further. So yeah, it would be a high level wave count. It would be a different scenario, but it has a lot of space then to drop into the area between $40 and $25. Yeah, and this would still be another opportunity then here for the price to turn around. So if I put that on the chart here, would pretty much be here. From here then, at a later stage, it would then start to move up. So in both scenarios, actually quite bullish. Yes, short-term bearish. So I do expect also here a little bit of further price drop for AVAX, but bear in mind it already reached the target area. So if you see a bullish signal here, it can move around at any point in time. From here, it would then move up into the region ideally of around $140. But bear in mind also that would not happen in a straight line. It would happen in a 5-wave move. And this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bear in mind, we're currently in a critical, very difficult market condition here. Bitcoin is in a downtrend. A lot of the altcoins are as well. AVAX, a little bit of a difficult situation here in a wave 2, which nearly should be complete in this primary scenario. And again, until $58, maybe even until $53, it has a chance now to do that reversal to the upside. And on a daily chart, it is looking quite likely with an oversold RSI on the daily. However, we don't see the MACD turnaround yet, so there are a few things we now need to look out for, maybe on the shorter time frames, looking for any green candles or anything, a bullish divergence. And yeah, we can see here a green MACD, but it's only the hourly chart. Possibly this is going to play out further. It has reversed here. We've prevented another bearish crossover on the hourly. We see here, yeah, not really a bullish divergence. Overall, still, I think the market overall hasn't decided yet, really. We have a bullish divergence on the 4-hour chart that is quite meaningful. On the RSI, and the MACD also might really do its bullish crossover here, not happened yet. But this could then, maybe after another drop to $58, help the price to start out from here. So that is what I primarily would expect. It will get invalidated below $53. And yeah, let's see what the market does. Anybody who wants to be on the safe side should wait for a confirmed breakout to the upside. Personally, I do dollar cost average in at these lows, yeah, being prepared that the price could drop even further into the region between 25 and 40. That would only happen below $53. But even then we have one last chance, 48, but it would get much less likely that this is still the case. So below 53, yeah, we have a good chance to move into that area that is between 25 and what did I say, 25 and $40. But even then here the price would be able to turn around. That is then what I expect in this alternative wave count if the market is still too bearish overall, because we are already oversold on the daily. I would expect some sort of a move up very, very shortly. And that's my view about AVAX. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.